Hi guys, and welcome to this lesson. In this video, I will solve this question using elimination method, and also I will use another faster way to solve this. Right? So let's start. We have this question. 3x plus 2y is equal to 17 and 4x minus y is equal to 19. So I would want to use a elimination method to solve this now, and I will eliminate y. Okay, so to do that, these two, I will use it to multiply this and this coefficient of 1 here like this. So when we do that, equation, let's call this equation 1, and this is equation 2. Okay, so this is equation 1. Equation 1 remains the same because we're multiplying through using 1. So we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 17, and for the second one, this becomes 8x minus 2y is equal to 38. So let's add the both equations. So by the time we add equation 1 and 2, we have 11x is equal to 17 plus 38 is 55. Okay, so x is equal to 5. Now let's plug in x is equal to 5 into equation 2. Okay, so from equation 2, we know that 4x minus y is equal to 19. So x is equal to 5. We have 5 minus y is equal to 19. So 20 minus 19 is equal to y. So y is equal to 1. So we'll have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. So the next thing is to find this. This is 70x plus 10y. Okay, so we have 70 times 5 is 350 plus 10 times 1 is 10. So our final answer here is 360. Okay, now let me use the second method. Okay, now for the second method, what we'll do is we just add equation 1 and 2. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 17, and 4x minus y is equal to 19. Okay, so when we add this together, we have 3x plus 3x plus 4x is 7x. Okay, this plus this, that is 2y minus y here is same thing as y, that is plus y is equal to 36. Now look at this. Let's factorize it. It will, do you have something similar to what you have under here? So when we factorize 70x plus 10y, this will give us 10 into 7x plus y, and 7x plus y is 36. 7x plus y is 36, so 10 times 36 is equal to 360. Right, so thank you for watching this video. If you gain something from this video, please like, subscribe to this channel for more interesting one like this. Thank you.